Hey guys, it's Jeremy, sales manager at Great Western Motorcycles. I want to show you guys around. So as soon as you come into the dealership up front here, we have all of our street bikes and dirt bikes. We have a wide variety of used Harleys, used Hondas, Yamahas. We have a good selection of used dirt bikes. We got quite a few new dirt bikes, used dirt bikes, and full-size ones. So that's everything you'll find up here. All of our sales guys are currently up front here, so we have a wide selection of staff here to help you suit your needs. And then we'll get rolling in here to the back showroom. This is one of our top salesmen, Jameson. So if you have any questions on anything, just give him a call and he'll be happy to help you.
How are y'all doing?
Walking into our back showroom here is where we keep all of our apparel, accessories, everything. So we got street gear, dirt gear, a wide variety of helmets, goggles, anything you need to get out there and conquer the trail. Rolling around the corner here, we have our parts counter with all of our oils and everything. One of our top guys here in parts is Todd. He's been here a long time. He's very knowledgeable, can help you with anything that you need here at our dealership. Our back showroom is where we also keep all of our side-by-sides too. We carry Kawasaki, Polaris, Honda, Yamaha. Guys, right now the manufacturers are shipping, so we do have quite a variety of inventory for you. We got a lot of four-seaters, which has been uncommon in the last couple of years for you and your family to get out on the trail and ride together. We got a good selection of two-seaters, ATVs. We even have some watercraft here going into the wintertime. Walking on back here is our service department. So the guys back here stay busy all day. We got guys up here wrenching away all the time. This is Josh. He's been here probably around 10 years. Very knowledgeable around all these things. You can definitely get all of your stuff taken care of in a very professional manner. He's a good guy. We also have Jason over here, our service manager. So he'll be your point of contact for anything you need in our service department. Hey guys, take good care of you. So we do keep all of our used side-by-sides outside. We do pull those in and out every night, so they are staying inside a climate-controlled area throughout the evening. We have 3 techs working down there putting together units, organizing our showroom, and we have about a 40,000 square foot showroom down there that we use as well. Down here is our assembly team. We have 3 guys. All these guys have been in the power sports industry for a while. They've always rode and grew up around this stuff. So we do have 3 guys. Our first guy here is Deshaun. He's been here the longest. He's been here about 5 years. He's a great guy. We got Chris, who's been here about 3 years. Avid ATV enthusiast. Can tell you anything you need to know about an ATV. And then our newest guy back here is Hector. He's been here about a month, but very eager to learn. He's always been around motorcycles. Cool, that's it guys. That concludes our dealership tour. Come check us out guys if you want to be treated like family, be welcomed into our dealership. We are committed to giving you the best experience we possibly can here in the power sports industry. So we know you're going to love it here, so just come check us out in Statesville, North Carolina.